Hello there. If you love using task cards as much as I do, but you've been struggling to figure out how to store your task cards so that it's organized and it's easier to handle and it just keeps things a little cleaner, this is the video for you. If you would like to grab 10 free lesson plans and resources where I give you activities like task cards, lesson plans, resources, videos, PowerPoints, click the link right below this video to grab 10 free middle school math resources right now. If we don't already know each other, my name is Kathy Martin and I'm the creator of the Prealgebra Teachers Middle School Math Membership. We are your one-stop shop for everything you need to teach middle school math. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a video. I have been a middle school math teacher for many, many years, and one of my favorite activities is task cards. But the problem with task cards is that you can have so much paper everywhere. For a long, long time, I was storing my task cards in manila envelopes in big, giant tubs. And not only did it get really, really messy, but it just took up a lot of space, and I hated it. And I hated the fact that I did not have a good organizational system. Well, I want to share with you my favorite way to house task cards so that it's easy to find, organize, and it makes it really easy for your students to be able to help you with this too. Enter the storage bin solution. This is from Michaels, and that probably cost me $12 for one. I do have multiple of these, but there's no reason for me to show you multiple. It is always on sale. So if you go to Michael's and you find that it is not on sale, just wait and it will be on sale. So again, it looks like this. It comes in multiple colors. And I'm just gonna open it and show you why it is so amazing. So it comes with each bin like this, and I used a label maker to label each of the concepts. And so this container houses all of my task cards for orders of operation, and it only has orders of operation. If you have some concepts where you have more task cards, like orders of operation, I only printed out probably about 10 sets just because I didn't need a lot. But some of them you might need more. So like for example, I have 2 simplifying algebraic fractions because I think this is probably like a whole class set. I need all my students to have them. And so I love it because you can store these in alphabetical order. You can store them by chapter. You can store them by unit, like however way you like to keep it. But it keeps it all nice and organized. I don't really have a specific rhyme or reason. I just kind of like can easily see, like compare order fractions are together. But if I had a lot more of these, I would probably organize them by chapter so that I could have a label on the top that just says like chapter 1 task cards, chapter 2, so on and so forth. But again, you can find this at Michael's. It is always on sale. It is the best functional system that I have found that works the best in housing all of my task cards so that's easy to find. I can give one of the containers to my students and have him or her go around and collect everything, put it in the container and put it back into my organizational system. It makes it so I don't have to do it anymore and my students can feel like they're helping because they love that. And it just makes everything so much easier when things are easy to find, and it's super colorful, which makes it even more fun. Again, if you would like 10 free middle school math resources, use the link right below in the description box right now to grab them. It comes with a ton of different activities that cover several different math concepts, whether you teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. And I hope to see you in our next video. See you soon. Bye for now.